Hey guys, welcome to Chapter by Episode. Today we are starting our adventure on a stormy, windy day. The weather might be a little wild, but that's what makes this trip even more exciting. Before heading out, we are enjoying a hearty breakfast. We are meeting up with a local guide who's gonna guide us through the journey and starting with a visit to the famous Damro Tea Estate. Drive to Damro Tea Estate is breathtaking. The rolling hills covered in tea plantations look like they are straight out of a painting. The mist adding a touch of mystery to the landscape. It was truly amazing. So this is how they do the entire tea making process.
This tea factory established in 1928.
1928.
Yes, so here we have three kinds of tea: black tea, green tea, and white tea. White tea is a seasonal tea. Only the summer we can manufacture the white tea once a year. And green tea manufacturing in another tea factory which is belong to the Damro company. Here we manufacturing only the black tea. So first I'm going to explain you the black tea process. It's beginning with tea picking. The botanical name of a tea plant is Camellia sinensis. We have two different colors of plants. One is green, the other one is red. For the black tea, the botanical name of a tea plant is Camellia sinensis, two different colors. And for the black tea and the green tea, we use the green color plant, but the process of the tea is different from each other. For the white tea, you can see the plant all over the mountain, same, only the green. For the white tea, we using the red color plant. It grows in a special areas only the top of the hills. And totally different process for that. So for the black tea, we pick the leaf first. We pick 2 or 3 leaf with buds, only the tender. Manually we pick the leaf and we take fresh tea leaf from field to here, filling those trough. In each trough contains 2 tons. Here we wither the leaf, removing 50% of moisture from the leaf first to concentrate the moisture in the leaf. So using fans, drying the leaf for 14 hours. Yes, every 2 hours, shuffle the leaf up and down manually. Yes. 2 of the men are standing both sides and shuffling the leaf. Then after 14 hours remains one ton in each, half of the weight. Then the semi-dried leaf collecting into a basket and passing through that tube to the roller machines. The second step of a black tea rolling. Here we do only the withering process. To see the rest we have to go downstairs.
Okay, cool.
There's something special about enjoying a tea right where it's grown, especially with the stormy weather creating a cozy atmosphere. The warmth of the tea is the perfect antidote to the cold winds outside.
Yantang wat no deni manglang une Sinen wat no peni muvelang kale Yanen tempat යන්නේ නෑ වගේ මං දැන් මගේ නොවේ මායම් දැස මගේ නොවේද මං දැන් මගේ නොවේ මායම් දැස මගේ නොවේද යන්නද ඉගිල්ලි මම යනවා කෙහිරැල්ල සුළඟ දිගේ ඇවිදින් කරදර කෙරුවා මම යනවා
Next, we took a drive through the Ramboda tunnels leading to a famous Ramboda Falls. Ramboda Falls is nothing short of spectacular. The water cascades down with such force, creating a mist that rises around us, making the experience feel almost otherworldly.
Yanen tempat gulamal tole maite namait yanne na wage mang den mage nove mayam des mage noved mang den mage nove mayam des mage noved yannada igilli mama yanawa කෙහිරැල්ල සුළඟ දිගේ ඇවිදින් කරදර කෙරුවා මම යනවා නුඹ දුන්නු හීන මම අරගෙන යන්නද ඉගිල්ලි මම යනවා කෙහිරැල්ල සුළඟ දිගේ ඇවිදින් කරදර කෙරුවා මම යනවා නුඹ දුන්නු හීන මම අරගෙන
හැඩකාරී ඔබේ කම්මුල් වලට වඩා මල් පෙති සිනිඳු නෑ කියා මම දන්නවා ඔබේ මිනිනිල් දැස වසා මගේ සිත උමතු කළා කියා ඔබ දන්නවා දඟකාර හැඩකාරී ඔබේ කම්මුල් වලට වඩා මල් පෙති සිනිඳු නෑ කියා මම දන්නවා ඔබේ මිනිනිල් දැස වසා මගේ සිත උමතු කළා කියා ඔබ දන්නවා ඔබ මලක් වෙලා සොඳුරු මගේ පපුව පුරා පිරුණු නිමාවක් නැති ආදරේ කවුරුවත් දන්නේ නෑ අපේ දිවි තිබෙන තුරා ඔබ මට ලැබුණා කියා හැඩකාරී ඔබේ කම්මුල් වලට වඩා මල් පෙති සිනිඳු නෑ කියා මම දන්නවා ඔබේ මිනිනිල් දැස වසා මගේ සිත උමතු කළා කියා ඔබ
Back home and we are winding down. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more travel adventures. Bye.